Time to go! A much easy checkout in this hotel, just simply give them the keys. This was actually quite a nice hotel, the internet was decent, and it was quite far away from the main road, so it was nice and quiet on the evening. So next I found a tuk-tuk driver just at the end of my street basically, and he was taking me to the train station. Now he quoted me 300,000 before we got on, and then just listen to at the end of this clip when he naughtily asks for 400,000. Thank you, my friend. Have a good day. And here we are, the train station in Luang Prabang. So we are heading today to Vang Vieng. I don't know anything about this place, as usual. We'll do the Googling on the way. But yeah, so let's go find out what time the trains are. The time is currently 11 AM. I did see on the internet there's one at about 12:15, but this is the internet and things are always wrong when it comes to timetables and trains and things in Asia. But yeah, let's go find a ticket and hopefully we don't have to wait too long. Hello, Vang Vieng.
Buy ticket?
Yeah, buy ticket please.
Buy ticket today to Vang Viang.
Yes.
What time? This time, okay.
12:28, yeah.
One ticket?
Yes, please.
Passport, please.
Passport, yeah. Okay, I have the ticket. So, if you come in here and you want to buy a ticket, give yourself plenty of time. That little queue of 6, 7, 8 people took about 20 minutes. I have no idea what was going on because, as you can see, I was straight in within like a minute, done and out. Anyway, so our ticket is for 12:28. It's currently about an hour before then, give or take. And yeah, so we've got the ticket. Let's go and have a look in the station before we board.
Anh đi cặp ban cầm mặc mà bé sao đấy bé hoa nó đột tí
Welcome to Vang Vieng. Vang Vieng. Vang Vieng. I just had a message off of my hotel asking me if I've arrived yet, so I don't know if they're picking me up or what. I don't know, they've not replied to me, so I'm just gonna find a taxi now and then we'll get to the hotel and we'll go out and have a look around on our first sight of Vang Vieng. And then there's quite a lot of activities to do here, so I'm gonna try and do some of that like in the next video sort of thing. It's too late to be doing anything now, but yeah, so let's go. Looks like we've got some carnage going on here. Looks like they're rebuilding the road or the path or something, and they're just basically blocking the whole thing, and we have to get that way as well. What's going on? So, why am I walking? So, we've driven this way in a taxi and he drove past my hotel. But there's no button inside the thing, you know, to press to slide to stop. So, we're now going to have to walk. It's not too far, I guess. But thankfully as well, it's not too hot. It's about 28 degrees. So, it's alright to be fair. It doesn't feel humid, but I don't know what the humidity is, I've not looked. But let's go find his hotel and then we'll have a quick room tour, quick shower, and then we'll come out for some food. There's so many food places down here already, like this one here. And then I'm going to eat something because I've not eaten anything again today. I never seem to do this on travel days, just don't eat breakfast. So alright, let's go find this hotel. Samadhi. Hello, how are you? Good. Yeah, I'm good.
Where have you been?
Here to check in. Sorry?
Where have you been here?
Where have I been?
Vang Vieng or some?
Oh,
Luang Prabang?
yeah, Luang Prabang.
Oh, by the train?
I'm going to Vientiane after here. Yeah, it's a good trip.
Now we have the room in the second floor and the first floor.
Okay.
Is one that already.
Oh, any first floor.
First.
Yeah.
First floor.
First floor, okay.
Yes.
There's no stairs.
Yeah. Okay, the Wi-Fi was.
Huh?
Yeah, Wi-Fi was one.
Oh,
And
yeah.
you have the first input like it starts 7:30.
Oh, wow.
10. And here.
Well,
And
here?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
And the
Breakfast
tea
here.
and the hot water you can take anytime.
Oh,
Every
cool.
time and want it.
Oh wow. Oh, that's very good. Okay. Oh wow, this is big room.
Yeah.
Rightio, here is the room for the next 5 nights. We are here for 5 nights, right? Just want to start with, that's the main road right there. So literally just step off, straight onto the main road. That'll do me nicely. No stairs or anything like that. I have got 2 beds. I don't know why there's 2 beds, but I've got 2 beds. This is massive, and I've just sat down on it to take my bag off, and that feels really nice and soft. So, winner. Quick check on the bathroom, or shower room, toilet room, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, all good. It's a bit, I mean, let's not mention that. Got to do a bum gun test. Ready? Oh, that's a nice soft one. Nice and soft on my bum hole. Right, I am going to have a quick shower. Then we'll go out and get something to eat. And then after that, I have some editing to do. So that's probably going to be about that. And yeah, right, I'll see you in a minute. And we are out on the streets of Vang Vieng. Oh, there's a shopping mart there just next to the hotel. So that's handy. Right, so I'm going to go for some food. And then there's a thing in the hotel with loads of different activities to do. And there's like a day one and there's like a half day one, so I'm going to try and pick something like that, and then we can spend all day doing all these activities. We'll probably do that. I mean, that'll be the next video. Just looking at a food place there. So yeah, right, let's go find somewhere to eat and then we'll chat more. Right, I'm a little bit early, but I've come to this little, well, it's quite big actually, you can see, and I just got to wait to order some food because I'm a little bit early. But look at this view. I've got the mountains in the background. It's a shame about all these trees, but even still, it's quite nice here. I mean, there's some more restaurants as well along, giving this insane view. Yeah, so what I'm thinking of is going back to my hotel, and I might book this today or tomorrow, but for the next day, which will be the next video for you, going like, you get in these little round tubs and you sort of move yourself with paddles through caves. And I think that sounds pretty good. There's zip lines, there's like lagoons you can go swim in, there's so many things you can do. So I might do a full day of some of them. I think you can kind of pick the ones that you want to do, and then they put it all together in a package or something like that. So that is the next video. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribed, right? That's going to be a good one.